Hi guys! If you like cookies that are soft and chewy but also have a crunch to them, then you'll love this recipe. Start off by measuring out your butter into a mixing bowl. And cream that either with a wooden spoon or a spatula. And when it's soft and pliable like this, add your sugar. And mix that until it's all incorporated. Next I'll just add my egg. And give that a good mix. Before adding my vanilla extract, and my chocolate chips. Now it's time to sieve the flour and the bicarbonate of soda. Now what I'll do is I'll add half of my flour into the sieve, and then I'll add my bicarbonate of soda, and top it off with the rest of the flour. Then I'll just sieve that into the bowl. And then carefully mix it in, trying not to overwork the flour. Now the dough's complete, I'll just transfer it to some cling film. And put it in the fridge for around an hour. Now I'm using a spoon that's 2 tablespoons, but if you like your cookies smaller, then just use 1 tablespoon. And I'll just use the spoon to measure out perfectly sized cookie balls. And then I'll place them onto a cookie tray. I'll then use my fingers to flatten the top a little bit, and that will help them spread out more in the oven. Then I'll place them into a preheated oven for around 13 minutes. And when they're done, their edges will be a nice crisp golden brown, yet still maintaining a nice soft gooey centre. As you can see here, it's soft and chewy enough that it will hold on to itself. And just in case you wanted to hear how crispy they are, Yeah, they're pretty crispy. So thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. The link to the full written recipe and ingredient amounts will be up on the blog. The link is in the description as always. And until next time, take care.